Let's check this question on chemical combination. That is number 11, 2008. The compound formed by two elements X and Y with the electron configuration this and this respectively is. Which of these is the compound formed by X and Y? So to do that quickly, we examine the electronic configuration. X, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Y, the configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. You are going to note the last shell. This is first shell, second. So second shell is the last shell here. You underline it. Underline the last shell in Y. First, second, third. That is the last shell. Because chemical combination takes place only at the last shell. On the last shell of X, we have how many electrons? 4 plus 2. 6 electrons. So X has 6 electrons on the last shell. Very important. Y has 2 electrons on the last shell. 2 electrons on the last shell. Now, the purpose of chemical combination is to attain electronic stability, octet stability. Therefore, how will X have 8 electrons on the last shell while it has 6 already? It will accept 1. Therefore, X is going to, it will accept 2 electrons. 6 plus 2, 8. So X will accept 2 electrons. So X is demanding 2 electrons from Y in order to become X2 minus. So that is the first trick. Y itself has 2 electrons at the last shell. How will it have octet electronic configuration? It is going to lose that 2 because X is already demanding 2. It will lose the 2 and return to octet stability. I mean, this second shell becomes the last shell and there are 8 electrons there. So when it loses 2 electrons, it becomes Y2 plus 2 electrons. Therefore, 2 ions Y2 plus and X2 minus have been formed. The negative ion is written at the left. Negative ions are written at the right hand side of the chemical formula, while positive ions are written at the left hand side of the chemical formula. Therefore, you write Y2 plus X2 minus. That we exchange the radical. We exchange the valency. The valency of Y here is 2, it goes to X. Valency of X here is 2, it goes to Y. So we have Y2, X2. If you check the subscripts, they are of the same magnitude, so you cancel. And the compound will be YX. That is the formula of the compound. If you check the option, the answer is there, YX.